What's up, y'all? So you guys know me. I'm a do-it-yourself type of guy. And with doing that, I'm going to wrap the E46. Let's go. So for a month, you guys watch me tear this thing down and bring it back to life. And in that month, I learned so much. Old O-ring. Yeah, so final stages. Got both tires fixed. Well, got this tire fixed. There's an extra spare in the car. So this is just an extra tire that we have. I didn't connect the battery yet because I wanted to finish the install before I powered it on and everything. And I wanted to do the oil change before I powered it on and everything also. So yeah, gonna get all this work done today. Want to have it running by the end of the week, or at least by next week. Let's get it done, guys. I taught myself how to do so much with cars I never knew I wouldn't know how to do. So with that being said, I want to do something a little more challenging. I want to start wrapping the car, and I want to start wrapping you guys' cars too, because it's my dream to own a car shop, and I'm going to make it happen. Let's do it, guys, and let's talk more about it. So I know BMWs get a bad rap, but in my time learning how to fix this car, and it's been on the easier side, because I don't know if a lot of y'all know, but I was a PDI technician for Rivian, and when it comes to technology, those cars have a lot of shit going on. So when I got to stuff like this, so it's just a naturally aspirated inline six, no turbos, nothing, it didn't seem as hard for me to just jump right into it and get it running. So, alright, so I just have to do a cooling job real quick, and when I filled it up, your fill line is gonna be that second line of the bobber. You want it to reach the top of the cap. See? You want it to be level with the cap. And when it's level with the cap, that's how you know your coolant is topped off. You don't gotta put any more. See? And it should be able to bop like that. That's how you know if it's still good. If you still get pressure and it comes back up. So that's another thing out the way, guys. We're gonna be ready to turn her on soon. While doing that, I grew like a king for this car. I really like this car, but I want this car to look better also, because it sounds good, it starts right up, everything's running nice and smoothly, nice and easy, but I want it to look a certain way, and I'm thinking about what colors I should wrap it in to start. Let me know and drop a comment, guys, on which color you think I should wrap the car in. I know some of y'all may be thinking, why do this to the project car? But exactly, do it to the project car. You don't want to start on a customer's car and mess up a customer's car first, then you out of money, you mess up their pain or something like that. No, I want to get good at this first before I jump into something like that, and I can even get the certifications. I'm serious about these things, and you need to be serious too when you go about starting businesses, guys. Like and subscribe.